The super duper feature update. It's super duper duper.
Zoom, zoom, zoom. Hey there, Super Squad. You're gonna love this one. With maps, now you can actually zoom in on your screen and save that location. So if you only want to show a portion of your screen, you can actually zoom in and save that view. Let's take it away, Super Dave.
What's up, y'all? Super Dave here with a quick follow feature update for our screenshot editing for our maps. And this is specifically around editing the views. Generically, if you have some event that you click around or something like that, you're gonna have a screenshot there, right? You're stuck with the zoom here initially. While someone views it, they can change the zoom, but you can't save that setting. So now what we get to do is we can actually control the entire view. So let's just say I just want a bigger picture. I just want this whole thing to look like this. Now I just go set current view as default. And voila, now it's a much bigger view and I can save this and this will be what everyone sees. Additionally, I could come in here and going really in depth or really somewhere specific. I don't know why, but maybe something very much like that. And you can do that too. Just reset it and boom, there you go. So it's our news update and I hope you guys find it useful. Thanks.